Hello, people from YouTube and all your community. And this is a short video about the Korg Kronos. I was having an error displayed. It was saying about disconnect all USB devices and restart. It wouldn't load beyond the S word on music workstation. So, I was like, he has to do something with either the hard drive or anything like that. So I opened it up and I started with the RAM memory, and that's what the problem is. Maybe by moving the keyboard around once in a while, the RAM becomes loose. You have to make sure that the RAM modules are secure. As you can see, this one is not secure back there, the one on the left. Those are really hard to get to. So I suggest you use something, I don't know, like a kitchen knife. You just have to be really careful. Let's see if I do this with my right hand. Bear with me a second, I gotta switch hands. So, all right, there's the RAM module, and you want to go back there gently, and you're gonna hear a click sound. There you go. All right, like I said, be really gentle because there's wires back there. Make sure they both secure back there, and also the ones in the front. And the keyboard should boot up right away.